IPSX is the world's first regulated stock exchange dedicated to institutional-grade commercial real estate assets. The exchange will allow investors using their normal share dealing channels to gain exposure to the yield and other benefits of prime commercial real estate, while avoiding the volatility of an opaque and broad-based listed property or company, or an open-ended fund that has gating risk. IPSX Prime is a regulated market that enables issuers to bring to market an initial public offering of shares in companies which own underlying property assets. For example, a commercial office block that occupies a single geographic location or comprises a single building or group of co-located buildings. IPSX Prime provides investors with the opportunity to invest directly in the company that owns each asset, allowing for the first time specific asset selection. It will allow investors to build their own diversified portfolio with a very low transactional cost. Investors will be able to view basic details about an issuer's securities and the underlying property asset or assets, as well as seeing the day-to-day trading performance of the shares of the company. While the market is open, current bid and offer prices will be available for all shares, together with trading volumes and information on the previous day's trading. Investors will have access to trading data via market data providers, and to share trading via their normal channels, including retail brokers. During market hours, investors will always be given a price at which they can either buy or sell shares by market makers. A daily summary of the volumes of total number of shares traded will be provided, and overlaid onto a price chart, giving average traded price statistics to provide investors with an immediate overview of trading performance. Company accounts and key financial performance metrics for each company will also be readily available. Basic property details will be provided for the property or properties underlying each security, with property valuations from an approved valuer updated twice a year. Investors will be able to buy and sell shares through their normal channels, be it a stockbroker or online portal or app. Shares admitted to trading on IPSX are eligible for inclusion in ISAs and SIPs. Investors will be able to sell their shares whenever they like during market hours, with liquidity provided by market makers quoting firm prices, whatever the prevailing market sentiment. Gating will not apply to the trading of equity shares on IPSX. IPSX is regulated as a recognised investment exchange by the Financial Conduct Authority, and we are poised for liftoff in the coming months with our first IPOs. Keep up to date at our website, www.ipsx.com.